Cyclones, also known as hurricanes or typhoons, are powerful natural phenomena that captivate our attention with their immense strength and destructive capabilities. These intense storms are characterized by strong winds, heavy rainfall, and low atmospheric pressure, making them a force to be reckoned with. In this article, we will delve into the science behind cyclones, their formation, and the impact they can have on the environment and human communities. Formation of cyclones. Cyclones typically form over warm ocean waters, where the sea surface temperature is at least 26.5 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or higher. Warm air above the ocean's surface rises, creating a low-pressure area. As the warm air ascends, it cools and condenses, forming clouds. The Earth's rotation causes the developing storm to spin, and if the conditions are favorable, a cyclone begins to take shape. Stages of a cyclone. Cyclones go through distinct stages of development, beginning as tropical disturbances and progressing to tropical depressions, tropical storms, and finally, hurricanes or typhoons. The Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale categorizes hurricanes into 5 levels based on their sustained wind speeds, ranging from Category 1, 74 to 95 miles per hour, to Category 5, above 157 miles per hour. Structure and components. The structure of a cyclone is organized around the eye, a relatively calm and clear center surrounded by the eye wall, where the most intense winds and rainfall occur. The size and strength of the eye can vary, with larger eyes often indicating a more mature and powerful cyclone. Impact on environment and communities. Cyclones bring about widespread environmental changes and pose significant threats to coastal areas. The intense winds can uproot trees, destroy buildings, and create storm surges that lead to coastal flooding. Heavy rainfall can cause river flooding and landslides, adding to the overall devastation. The ecological impact is also profound, affecting marine life, ecosystems, and agriculture. Preparation and mitigation. Due to the destructive potential of cyclones, it is crucial for communities in vulnerable regions to be prepared. Early warning systems, evacuation plans, and resilient infrastructure play key roles in minimizing the impact of these storms. Governments and organizations worldwide invest in research and technology to improve forecasting accuracy, providing communities with valuable time to prepare and evacuate. Climate change and cyclones. There is ongoing research to understand the potential link between climate change and the frequency and intensity of cyclones. Warmer ocean temperatures, a result of climate change, can provide more energy for storm formation and intensification. While the scientific community continues to study this complex relationship, it underscores the importance of addressing climate change to mitigate the risks associated with cyclones. Cyclones are awe-inspiring natural events that remind us of the Earth's dynamic and powerful forces. Understanding their formation, structure, and impact is crucial for communities in vulnerable regions. Through scientific research, improved technology, and proactive preparedness measures, we can work towards minimizing the devastating effects of cyclones and protecting both the environment and human lives.